Humans are responsible for between 60 and 80% of all outages. That's what we see with the data that's out there. And that just emphasizes how important people are when they work in zero outage environments. At ZOIS, we believe that a professional continuous improvement framework is key. It's not just about reacting to problems, but it's about building a culture where improvement is constant, right? Supported by the correct training, the right processes, and the correct mindset when working in these environments. Culture lays the foundation for everything. A healthy environment helps develop and sustain a culture that embraces improvement, supports people, and aligns everybody that works in zero outage environments to achieve their goals. The competency model is a structured framework that is made up of three key areas: functional competency, methodical competency, and interpersonal competency. And each of these play a unique role in ensuring the right people are in the right place with the right skills. Functional skills are essential. Interpersonal competencies are just as important for sustainable success in zero outage environments. The competencies outline the qualifications that people need in helping organizations align with the expectations of zero outage. The people benefit most because it gives them clarity, it gives them direction, it gives them opportunities for growth, which in turn drives the organization forward. The answer lies in the word methodical already. We're talking about methods here. Methodical expertise includes the ability to be able to work in a structured, targeted, and systematic way. They help you overcome challenges efficiently, and they find solutions for complex situations. It's about defining and applying standardized processes and procedures so that employees truly understand what's expected and how they contribute to zero outage in their organizations. Things like a proactive work approach, effective communication, teamwork, a strong sense of quality. These soft skills often determine how well somebody can collaborate, how well they work in teams, how they can resolve issues through dialogue, for example, and how they lead initiatives. In the zero outage framework, decision-making involves the ability to identify problems, gather information, and share those insights. It's an art, I would say, one that requires confidence, clarity, and collaboration. To meet the zero outage criteria, standard roles must be reviewed and updated to align to the competency model to include all the competencies within those job roles. It's about ensuring that the people that we hire have what they need to succeed, not just technically, but from a behavioral perspective as well. So that's the alignment that makes zero outage sustainable. Technology fails, we know that, but it's the people who prevent, who detect, and correct those failures. That is why zero outage puts such a strong emphasis on the human element. So we will definitely be able to argue that an organizational environment is not a competency, but it is absolutely necessary, because people that have all the competencies that we put forward in our competency model, they are nothing without an environment, right? An environment that helps them be successful. So one of the key traits that organizations need to instill or ingrain in their employees is the willingness to constantly improve and to drive things as close to perfection as possible. So creating a zero outage culture, in inverted commas, is definitely the key to success. PDCA, or the Deming cycle, is a management methodology that aims to continuously improve processes. The cycle is based on 4 stages. They are plan, do, check, and act. A life cycle helps organizations manage talent from the onboarding phase all the way through to the leadership development and innovation, of course.